guys, both channels came in the building, like, comment, and subscribe. Wagwan peeps, and we there with another dirty. Why is Miss Sinus doing? She tripping. Wagwan peeps, happy Wednesday. She going on to work and go on the worst. We there. You hear one night? Anyway, peeps, so just wake up and thing. And we're there, right? We're there on a beautiful Tuesday.
It's a Wednesday.
Bruh. See, same thing Wednesday. I mean, so tomorrow we got shows, right? Yeah, we got a road tomorrow too. But today, I don't know, you stress me out. She worry about one post. Today, but anyway, peeps, today we're going on the road and we're going to film. This is going to be an epic shoot. But boy, I'm not telling no lie still. The sky kind of look. And we are still, I'm kind of worried. But the sky still. Okay. You know what I mean? But me have faith. But oh, yeah, big up to my sponsor, them Digicel. I don't stress me out sometimes. Where my money at? Oh! Where my money at? Where my money at? Anyway, peeps, yeah. We'll go up on the road today. And we'll go shoot, as I say. They are away upon road manager. Yeah, she kind of late. That ain't new, but yeah, anyway. Okay, keep it moving.
Just
no.
watch.
Yeah, man. That's my talking that,
yes,
you know?
I know.
Sinus ENT. But anyway, peace. So I go up on the road. Me, Miss Sinus, baby Sinus. Road manager, you know what I mean? Jay Sinus.
And a few other peeps.
Yeah, go also meet one of my good peeps them. The man who teach me about photography. You know what I mean? And thing. Yeah, man, the legend himself is going to be in this little film that we're there. So, yeah, let's go on journey with the boy. When we touch the road, it's going to be epic. Epic.
Boy! We're here at our shoot. And we're trying to do some recce for a new channel that is starting. Oh, anytime when you see the stoplight, just stop. Okay. You will go ahead on. Alright?
Wanna think?
Where you think? You think we're wrong?
Man got you in and say let me out. No man, I'm mad. I'm mad, man. Run. Let me out. Man got you in and say let me out. No man, I'm mad. I'm mad, man. Run, track star.
Pull over when they're ready.
Terrible squad when me pull up. Big 45 in a car clip full of a gal dip on the front seat. Feeling me, ay. She bring another friend, where you bring another friend. Oh God.
Sorry about that. Between the gas station, there's really rough road right there.
Yeah.
That is a lot harder to push
No, but
at that point, and then it comes uphill and it's like...
yeah, that's alright. Cause when you edit it, you'll know.
Huh?
When we edit it, you'll know.
Yeah.
You
Come
understand?
on, bro.
Yeah.
When you dip again and I cut the wind. You know me I talk about that style. One hand. While you cut the wind.
Yeah.
Alright?
I'll try.
Yeah, try it. One of them.
Why?
Why?
Also, I'm pretty sure like
Sit
going
down,
close to
sit down.
Taco Tree, it's big, like this is good pavement to like push on,
Yeah.
but then like right at that little patch in between it, I'm pretty sure there's spots I'd say if you see me slowing down like extremely fast, that's the reason I'm just trying like it's away from me.
Yeah, man, I know that whenever you slow down, I'll tell them, say, you slow down and so. Where you want, front shot or side? Go where do you know, from the back?
A dash cam, you know. Yeah, but high celebrity, them look up here. I want to run away. I'm gonna go around, police stop we. See me around the background there, so. See the police there right there, so. So. We get stopped, but road manager explained to them, say, and I need to work. Come on.
So in terms of the interest
Boy,
of time,
so you
I
think
feel
about
like the
it.
best thing that makes sense is using your camera and my camera, and then like having like two different lens setups.
So what you think,
you'll
Barry?
be,
What you
like,
think about the day?
alternating? So like my camera on the gimbal.
Very, very
like,
excited.
But I do this
Cause the thing
all
is like
day,
I
they
love the
might
shots
say
where
for
you
the
get
day.
Every
in and
day
out,
would
but
I
the
do
thing is,
this.
like Todd what I do is give him an ultra
Every
wide
day.
lens,
So
which
anyway,
is
we have a
like
new channel
11
coming on,
to
like we
11 to
have a new
17.
channel coming on,
So that
coming
one,
up.
that one
And you
is one
will
where
love
can
it,
really,
people
like,
might
go
say
low and,
it's
like,
never
go
been done
low.
before.
Like if you're hanging
First
that's where
ever
you're
done,
limiting
maybe in the
Some
Caribbean,
that
don't
one,
you?
and then you just kind of keep the cap.
Yeah.
You see the vlogs them on
Then switch to
Sinus
my camera.
Gaming channel, but it's going to be the
Stabilize
first
it.
Like it would have been
unique of its kind.
Yeah.
And you're going to see
That one
clips
would,
of
like,
what
behind the scenes.
behind the
Cause like
scenes.
I really
You
like
understand
how
what I'm
you
saying?
shoot
I'll be a
up to,
team.
like,
Yeah. My girl on camera, girl.
this part right here.
Push
I
up,
really
You
like
know,
push
how
shoot
up.
on your dash cam.
not that
Dash cam.
You. Lance,
You know,
how you
like
feel?
that.
Lance, how you feel about the shoot?
It's going good. Like we're looking at all the ways to improve the test run, but so far it's like a vibe. Yeah, so like you see the shots like this.
Yeah,
one,
them not busy with them
I like
on
how this
top.
is
Alright, them a do them
Them a do them
Cause
thing.
the thing is like,
We're at
even
we're at the famous BK.
Actually, like all off of it, cause
And
not
some
too steep
people,
on the landing.
big figure
The thing
don't
is,
tell
I wasn't
lie.
sure and I was gaining too much speed,
Who's
so I
supposed to be
like, either stop
vegetarian?
or
Mommy, don't
commit,
watch
but the
this.
thing is, you guys
All
are
of a
going at the
sudden,
same time,
yes,
so
mommy,
I'm thinking,
come to Kingston and eat curry goat.
Mommy, don't watch this.
Yes,
okay,
okay.
this is a mark.
Please.
So we're gonna order and be right back.
Alright, so come.
So, we pass one place. The place named Alman Court. Shut up,
My
Miss
girl,
Sinus.
stop show off, say, They're not cute.
Me nah go there. But guess what now? Look where me I go. You know Pegasus no ass. Me nah go. Me nah bother. Let me off. Me I go back out there so.
Oh.
And you know where they cross from Pegasus to our house though? Iman Separation Park.
Wow. Wow.
I be something them near me. Them near me have me worried. I be a man. Everything of man ass in it. Me no, I don't know the breeze I blow though. Breeze is blowing. Why no vlog where we here? We are Pegasus with the crew. Yeah, we're taking it easy. Me I go in a foreign building. Me I got Odell. Odell. What do you know? Odell. Yeah. But I'm have a little meeting, I have a little vibe. I'm going to look on some little clips, them thing they want to see. Yeah, man. So today has been an adventurous day. We got stopped by the police. Lance drop. Hold on, we got stopped by the police. Lance drop.
Not
Learn a
once,
lesson.
not twice,
Not
not
once
two.
or twice. But she time. Them not no cash back number when you drop.
I'm gonna talk way out to the police.
Number 3.
If you talk away out of the police,
I'm gonna shoot out a car trunk.
yeah, me I shoot out a car trunk. Through window. Yeah, through the bonnet. Through the everything.
Everything.
Mommy, you see? You see? You see?
You see, I can't remember. Hold on, I can't remember. Oh yeah, I remember. He jump off fool. Mom, what the word? I think him what? Counseling. He went to this counselors today and they talked to him and said him rude, him something wrong with him. Because Grandpa always come in the class and beg like him don't eat no food from there and he might have something wipe on it like Lasco. That one him mom is what happened to him. Is what happened to him. Mom, and I don't know, yeah? Why you hit me with the book? That hit me with the book. Mommy, you're so still.
Yo, my ears are ring.
Don't hit me with the book. Give me my pencil, it's mine. It's my pencil, mommy. It's mine. It's mine. I didn't get it in K1 today. K1. Mommy, Auntie Kelia, why you not helping me?
When you talk about differ, you talk about damn unique. Immaculate like Constant Street. Lyrics are drop on a constant beat.